The sanctuary is open for visitors from 8:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. After collecting the tickets, it's time to proceed towards the parking. There is no accommodation inside the sanctuary, but there is a small canteen in the parking area that serves decent food. Rangathittu Bird Sanctuary is an important nesting and breeding ground for a number of bird species. During the breeding season, birds here come from as far away as Siberia, Australia, and even North America. Some of the bird species that have made Rangathittu their breeding home are spoonbills, open-bill storks, darters, white ibis, little cormorant, egret, heron, river terns, snake birds, and other exotic bird species. The best way to see birds is to take a boat ride inside the sanctuary. The boats take visitors close to the small islets and trees that are perfect place for the birds to breed. There are two boating options available. The regular boat charges Rs 70 per seat for a short ride of 15 to 20 minutes, whereas the private boat charges Rs 1500 for about 45 minutes, but the experience is worth it. Apart from birds, the main attraction in this sanctuary is crocodiles. They are plenty in numbers and can often be seen sunbathing on the rocks and sometimes even swimming very close to the boats. As we rode further, we could see pelicans and cormorants perched elegantly on the treetops. Further on, we saw Asian open-bill storks and a few painted storks on the rock. Large colonies of birds make this an ideal destination to observe various bird behaviors. an excellent opportunity to photograph these winged beauties in their natural habitat. The boat safari is a unique experience in Rangathittu Bird Sanctuary. It's calming, scenic and absolutely refreshing for mind and soul. Overall, perfect place for a day trip and a must visit if you are a nature enthusiast. After capturing this wonderful experience in mind and memory card, it's time to head back home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please comment, like and subscribe for more videos. Also, please make sure to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new video. Until next time, goodbye.